Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chevrolet Impala. Has long been a name synonymous with American automotive performance and style. As we dive into the latest iteration, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427, we explore its engineering triumphs, design innovations, and the nostalgia it evokes from its storied past. Buckle up, because this is not just a car, it's a legacy reborn. Introduced in a bold new year, the Impala SS 427 is a nod to the muscle car era, taking the essence of the classic muscle car and infusing it with cutting-edge technology and modern aesthetics. Under the sculpted hood lies a beast, a formidable 7.0-liter V8 engine that delivers breathtaking power, performance, and agility. This powerful V8 engine produces a staggering 500 horsepower, paired with 460 pound-feet of torque. The suspension system has been meticulously tuned for responsive handling, marrying comfort with performance. This combination ensures that whether you're navigating through city streets or tearing down the highway, you experience a ride filled with adrenaline and grace. The SS 427 is more than just power, it's an experience. Chevrolet has ensured that each drive feels special, implementing an advanced all-wheel drive system that enhances performance in various weather conditions. This means confidence in any setting: rain, shine, or the winding curves of a mountain road. Step inside the 2026 Impala SS 427, where a blend of luxury and practicality awaits. The cabin has been designed for the ultimate driving experience, combining high-quality materials with cutting-edge technology. Leather seating, ambient lighting, and a spacious layout create an environment that is as much about comfort as it is about excitement. Infotainment is at your fingertips with a premium sound system and a digital dashboard that adapts to your preferences, keeping all essential information within easy reach. With an intuitive touchscreen interface, drivers can easily navigate through navigation, music, and even performance metrics like G-forces and lap times. The inclusion of seamless smartphone integration allows for instant access to your favorite apps, ensuring that you're always connected, whether you're on a leisurely drive or pushing the boundaries on the track. And let's not forget practicality. The Impala SS 427 boasts impressive trunk space that can accommodate everything from weekend luggage to a couple of sets of golf clubs. This is a car that understands the duality of life, performance on demand, with the functional space every driver needs. The revival of the Impala SS name has sparked significant interest from enthusiasts and collectors alike. The 2026 model feels like a tribute to the iconic formats of the past, yet it pushes the boundaries of what a modern muscle car can be. The automotive world hasn't witnessed a new addition to this legendary family in years, and its return has ignited a flame of curiosity among fans. The Impala SS 427 is straight up a love letter to those who appreciate the muscle car genre. Its performance is outstanding, but it's the nostalgia that really gets to you. You see this car, and you can't help but think of the classics. Driving the Impala SS feels like stepping back in time while still knowing you have the latest technology under the hood. It's like history meets the future on wheels. What sets the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 apart from its competitors is not just its powerful engine or advanced features but its ability to embody both heritage and progress. Every curve, every detail, from the aggressive front grille to the aerodynamic body lines, tells a story of its lineage.